This all sounds very interesting, but how can I now use the Smarter Place? What does end-to-end mean? And how can I start with it?
Let's assume that as a property management company, you already have an existing information technology infrastructure. Maybe an ERP software, a CRM system, and perhaps a document management system. And of course, you communicate with your employees and customers via email. Now you want to digitize your business more to increase efficiency and save costs increasingly. You are considering integrating a digital provider for the rental process to improve this process. This works wonderfully, but how can we connect the customer data from this new process with the ERP? Integrate it into CRM, generate the corresponding documents, and communicate with all customers? The joy of digital efficiency quickly turns into frustration if not everything fits together. And this is where the Smarter Place and the end-to-end idea come into play. We specialize in getting the entire digitalization process up and running. The most critical data of the new rental tool is immediately stored in the ERP with the corresponding documents, and the new tenants are matched with the CRM. At the same time, you communicate with the new tenants via the integrated tenant app and thus cover the entire tenant process. And of course, stakeholders such as owners, portfolio managers, the caretaker, facility management, and other service providers can all be integrated. Welcome to end-to-end property management.